All right, ladies and gents. Today is the day we're going to be passing one of these XFAs. We're going to take it one at a time, but here's three of them. As you can see, all of them are over the halfway mark. There is some allowance of going over just by a little bit. I think they clarified and said it was like 1%. So as long as you're not $100 over the halfway mark, like this one's only $20. The most I have is a 50. As long as you're not over that, you'll be good to go on passing. So without further ado, let's just start with account number one and get on to it. Let's go ahead and pass this bad boy. The stocks in the entire market just kind of opened down today, so there's a lot of gaps to the upside that want to be filled. I believe from where we closed yesterday was hold on, let me just kind of do some math real quick. It looks like we're kissing the gap from the close, and it looks like we have about a $60 gap to the upside. So what is it right now? 61. So we need to get up to like 420. So we need to get back to this little high right here. So I think we're just gonna slap a buy and let's just watch the profits roll in. And as I say that, it just takes a sharp shot straight down. Could have got a better entry right about there. No, yeah, right about there where that previous resistance was. What is that? Yeah, 52. Okay, well, looks like we might be averaging a little sooner than I wanted to. Even though the shorts. Yeah, short selling pressure is going up while longs are going down. But we are about to break the fancy little super trend, something new that I've been tinkering around with. So let's just see if we can't average down. Now we get to 5. Oh yeah, hotkeys. I forgot about those. Right there. Perfect. Now I can see all 5 of them clearly. All right. Let's get that little poppy pop. And there's 50, but oh man, that just messes with my head so much. I gotta watch this up here. Because when I go to sell, it's going to be at this price. So 352.50. So I need to wait for that to get above it. Which it's fighting to stay above it. Okay, there we go. We'll take it. Okay, so that was a quick 340. And we're back up here. We're gonna break it, or we're gonna slap off of it. You got some resistance, right? Or you got some support right there. You got some support right there. If that turns into resistance, we know it's going to be going back down. Seller pressure. Yeah, that would have been a nice little long entry right there. What would that have been? Candle open. No, well, we can actually hover over it now. 336 up to there with 5 cons. That would have been $2,000 gain. But I like to trade 2 cons at a time. 30 seconds till the candle actually closes. Yeah, if it breaks this, closes, I want to wait for a retest of this little area. So let it run up, bring it back down. If it doesn't break, then we'll just enter long here and ride it on up. But yeah, we still got. Yeah, I mean, buyers are stepping in on the 5. 15, yeah, buyers are stepping back in. There's your big old reversal candle. Don't, yeah, hourly's a little bit too high, especially for what I'm doing. But yeah, even here on the 5 minute, they tried to force it down, and immediately the next 5 minute candle just swooped it all back up. Sort of like here, they tried to push it up, and then immediately the sellers came in. Okay, so we broke it. Or, yeah. We are breaking it currently. So just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. The trend is going up. Let's get it. Hit that 360 and 360, 150. Not bad. Not bad. Take it. Yep. So we're at 470. So I'm already a third of the way there with this one account. I think this was the account I started at with 50% win rate. So 60% is pretty fine. Man, I'm just out of it today. I just don't feel human. But either way, Joe, you just need 1,017 more. So let's get it. Yep. You see, they tried to push it up, and immediately sellers just told them, no, you're not. So let's see. We can't find any support. So far, the support's at 48. Let's see if it breaks down or if that's going to be the low. Let's see it in this little area right here. I feel like maybe even doing right there, basing it off this wick up. I can get away with a buy if it just has a real quick flash. It probably wasn't good. Nope. 350. Right on 350. Dang. Well, get ready to double down if need be. If not, we can just close it, take some profits. Yeah, like that. Oh, that's the problem with scalping. That's the problem right there with scalping. You hold it just for less than a minute. You never know what that next candle is going to be. And boom, it can go in your favor. But also on the other side, it can go against your favor. So let's bring that back down to 2. There's probably a hotkey that I can press or make. Let me see. Do I already have one set? Nope. Okay. Let's see if I can't go contract size +1. Ha! There we go. Minus. I like it. All right, cool. Now let's actually see if it's saved and working. Plus, minus. Cool. Oh, so much easier. We'll go ahead and get on in if it comes back down. Oh, maybe if it gets 357. I just like to use the crosshairs as like my visualization to level everything out. 357 is a good little area for this candle, and it looks like this candle too. Let's see. 357. Okay, cool. So that was that close and that open. So I feel a little bit comfortable with that. Now let's see if we actually get it. Or is this going to be a chasing type deal? I really don't want to force anything. I want to give it to me on my own time, and that's the one good thing about trading futures. Futures market's always going to be here. There's always going to be opportunities. We got a nice little green candle on The mags. Let's see. Yeah. The top three are looking like they want to reverse just for a little bit. You got Apple with the big green, but then like a spinning top or whatever. Then Microsoft, you got that big green, but then nothing's really growing from it. You got Nvidia with just 3 decent sized greens back to back to back. Meta is rocketing. Tesla's beating down. Oh shoot, Tesla's down 8.5% on the day almost. Looks like everything's trying to make a fat little red candle. Nvidia's making a fat little red candle. Apple's making green now. Microsoft's making a green. Nvidia's still going down. So there's a little bit of conflict. There's a little bit of like just arguments between everybody, but until this crosses over, I really don't feel too inclined. Oh shoot, we have news. Oh, okay. So, well, in 3 minutes, y'all gonna see some wild action. Yeah, I'm just not even in it today. I kind of just want to pass these 5, just so I can start getting another nice paycheck weekly. My trade evates, I think. Let me see. Log into this bad boy. Come on, log in. There you go. Trade evates. I am those 5 accounts already up 243 on the day. So really don't need to do anything else with those, especially when I'm going to be requesting a payout on Tuesday. 200 a day minimum. Anything over that's gravy. So I've already beat my minimum this morning. I'm done with those. I can just sit on them for the rest of the day unless I see something I like. Oh, let's just check out. Yeah, fat red. Oh, yeah, cool. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, they're all making nice red candles. But now that I've noticed that there's news in less than a minute, we get a countdown to the news. So everybody place your bets. We either shooting up or shooting down. And back in the day, I would have gambled on news release and news stuff so hard. Let's see what the tilt is. 54% say long, 68% say long, but how many are actually? Oh, so 50-50. So you got almost 70-30 split, but 50% of the people are in the money and 50% of the people are out of the money. What's the average price? 360. So the average price is 360. I still don't get how that much percent can be in the money when it's not even at 360. So I'm guessing this isn't live. Like, I guess they update it every 5-15 seconds or something like that, but who knows? Either way, I'm not touching it until boom. Okay, so selling pressures here and big news. Something. They didn't like something. Pushed it down. I used to always believe the first move is wrong and it's just an overreaction. So I kind of want to wait for the candle to close and see just how much room there is. Let's just see. Mess with this a little bit. Where's my? Yeah. Okay. First candle one, push it down. Let's see if this breaks this little wick. If it breaks the wick, we'll go short. If it doesn't, we're going long. What was that move? High to low, 358. So that was only a $33 move. 40 times 33 would be 1320. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're just going long. It looks like the news wasn't as bad as everybody had thought. So see if we can't hit 47 and jump in on some cons. If we don't hit 47, then I'll feel comfortable longing after 364. Yeah, 364 seems like the new area. What was my entry? 365, so I missed it a little bit, but I'm already up in the money, so don't matter. Boom. Hey, I said close. And there you go. It's 1,050. So we are already almost done with this account. Oh, are we getting a second opportunity? Yes. See if we can't just knock it out. Knock it out, get it done with. Oof. I like that. Let's enter in. There's a lot of activity right in there that needs to get filled up. Let's see, I only need 500, so we can scoop that bad boy up to, 525, whatever. Whatever happens, if it just breaks and shows profit, I'll be fine just taking that. Like I said, I'm kind of just out of it today, so I didn't want to cross-contaminate myself with just doing something stupid and blowing off 5 accounts. So I'm just going to play, like I said, that one account at a time. If it takes all day, it takes all day, but So other than that, what's everybody doing? How's everybody hanging out there today? Shoot some messages. Shoot anything that you feel like I should be watching for, or anything that's catching y'all's eyes. Because I'm probably going to close this position after. Can we get that nice little fill right there? Can we just push it up? Break 60? There it is. Oh, so damn close. Oh, it kissed. 63.75. Did it kiss? 63.75 on the high. Dang. Oh, it should have filled me. Should have filled me. Here we go. Can we go get a fill real quick? Oh. Try to just bring that down one tick. There we go. Now we should get filled. And dang. I closed it early. I should have just held it for that. Yeah. Whatever. It happens. I'm only $127 away. So let's go ahead and just get this. This is just chop, 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 chop. Now we got a clear direction of buyers coming in. Again, let's go back to this area. We'll see if maybe 370. What were the highs? Oh, there was news at 732? Huh. Yeah. Man, I'm telling you, I was just absolutely blind and out of it. We'll just get in right there. And already. Nope, I accidentally clicked that. Oh, well, either way, 1524. So, boom, there's one account done. So, now it's times like this where I kind of kick myself where I'm like, dang, if I would have actually traded all 5 accounts together, I would have been past all 5 already. But such is life. So, now we just nickname it past. Dude, I can't even type. Past. Okay. Get out of here, get onto this one. So that's one and done. Let's see what account this is. The 54, good one. So we're going to be watching this area right here. That one. That bad boy. That's a top. Sell it. Oh, and I'm on the 5 minute. Whatever. So when I go to close it and buy it, it needs to be back under 404. So we're just going to watch. Those whole numbers are always magical. So if it don't stay above 400, it's going to slide back down for a little bit. And that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Maybe even come back down to this little area. Be a quick 900,000 almost. I ain't going to hold it that long. If it don't happen fast, I ain't going to hold it. But I will take 285 on profits. Yeah. I will take 285 on profits. It's giving us another opportunity. Oh, that's another neat little thing. I guess they stopped doing the trailing max loss limit because back in the day, when you would make, let's say, like yesterday, $1,500, the max loss limit would jump up 1,500. So technically, I should have been at 49,400. But now it's still giving me, so I really have like $4,000 in drawdown. That makes a huge difference, especially for my style of trading. Again, let's just see if it comes back. Oh, it already came halfway to fill that one. So let's see if I can't just get it to there. A quick 240, put me at 520, and then I'd be a third of the way done on this one. Ugh. New comments. If anybody's watching this, that'd be great. If anybody wants to reach out, just message me. Okay. Steady on that run. Let's tack in a 3 for. That'd be a $1,500 game. We don't need that much. We need 12. Of course, probably not going to get it unless it's like a flash crash. But I mean, it's realistic. What, 2 minutes ago it was just there, so it's realistic. You can actually hold it for a little bit. It's trying to curve down the velocity and aggression of that green line. Just opened. Yeah. There it goes. Now it's saying goodbye. Now we mooning. Oh, okay. So I guess it's max loss limit. Huh. It comes out ineligible. Okay. Huh. I hope y'all see this because max loss limit obviously shows 47,900. My balance isn't there. My balance is not anywhere close to there. So that's interesting. So in this case, we will take a picture of it and get that taken care of. But ineligible. Cool. That's fine. Now let's get back down to this one. I'm not going to short it just yet. I'm going to wait. Unless we see that red candle. Let's see. 5 minute, we need to come back down to the halfway, which is about right there. Halfway. Jeez. Oh, I'm doing 5 cons. Okay. Well, that makes a world of difference. That makes big world of difference. Let's make sure we get down to 2. I'm at 2 cons for sure now. So if it hits, it hits. I'm just going to let this one ride at this point. It's not organizing it the right way. Whatever. Slap it on down. Okay, so now you do need to keep a mental note that 2,100, even though the max loss shows that, that's not what it truly is. So let's reach out to them here in just a minute. Well, let's just reach out to them real quick, make them aware of it. Where is that? Right there. Okay, cool. It seems as if we are going to be going down. I don't know if we're going to go down as drastically as I hope, but and it's pushing up again. Man, we're making another high, huh? Seems like today's going to be one of those days where it's just going to rip. What is any areas? Oh, yeah, on that 15-minute candle, just straight rip. I should have just taken those profits, but we're getting up to support that might be turning into resistance. So let's go with, no, don't trade. Just focus on this account for right now. Okay, so now, yeah, that was my fault clicking the wrong one, but you're going to lose this account, seems like real quick, which, again, like I said, That was my fault. Done. Yeah. Let's take another picture. Show a separate incident. Boom. Oh, now the short comes. Now the short comes. This time we'll be ready for it. This time we'll be ready for it. Boom. Now we can catch it. Kind of on a mission now. Oh shoot, that was wasn't paying attention. It just happened so quick. Wasn't paying attention. Okay, we'll take it. It's 500. So now I just need another 1,000. Limit sell. We'll just do a fiber. Maybe let it come up to here. I wonder what everything else is showing on. Are we in an area of? Are we in an interest area? Yeah, we were. Low, low, higher, higher, low, low. There. I'm just gonna come fill me real quick, and boom. Now you only need to make 1,000. So if it just drops real quick, drop back down. Yeah, just a quick little drop. We can just pass this one real quick. Shoot for a quick 500. Oh. Just need another 250. Give me another 250, master. Okay, so 1, 2, lost. 1. There we go. Right about there. Give me a quick 250. 275. If I need to lose some money, I'll lose some money. If I gotta lose it, I gotta lose it. But I don't think that's gonna be necessary. I feel like, and we broke through. Dang, it's just not my day, huh? Such is life sometimes, but man, so close. Well, so close. Dang, that'd be rough. Unless this is going to be a red candle that comes and swallows it. But yeah, that's what I was saying about earlier. Used to believe the first move wasn't always the right move, and it ended up being the right move. So, saw that. It didn't break the wick. Just wait for it to break the high that it was. Boom, got in there. You could have just rode longs. Rode longs the whole way. But again, we'll just wait till this number says 53,000, then close. You're almost there. Almost there. Just a little more. And here we go. Maybe. Oh, it's so close. Let's see it. Let's see it. I saw it for a second. Dang. Okay, well, you only need $70, so I didn't like that area, didn't want to push down, so let's buy right about there. 433. Nope, we'll just buy there because it's starting to wake up. Okay. And here we go. What did I say? I only need like 130 or something like that? Yeah. Oh, come on. You didn't want to break earlier. Why break now? Okay. I think that's going to be that reversal area. And I'll just close this one here in just a minute. Oh, it just spiked it. Oh, come on, man. $50. Oh, so close. My math was off. Let's hit that little area. Come back down just for a moment. 51. 51. What I get in at? 51.75. Whatever. You're almost there. You got it. Only need 100. Oh, I think I only needed 50. Whatever. Whew. I'll just manually watch it. Let's just see what's about to happen. Dang. Not even watching my normal stuff down here. Yeah, we just keep teeter-tottering in this little resistance area. You bought in the middle of that resistance area. That was your problem. So let's close that. Let's open up a short here in just a moment. Right there. And now, let's go. There we go. Oh, dude. Too quick. Just too quick. Yeah, what was that? So, yeah, now your long would have been totally fine. You know, we're going to short, and now we're going to just win this account real quick. I'm getting real tired of back and forth action. Oh, something's busting on the news. Oh, they really want to bring it up to that 500 level. Really want to bring it up to that 500 level for some reason. Let's see. Dang, they just want to keep pushing it. It just wants to keep on pushing. What news? There's really no news, huh? My average is 58 or 59, almost. I just have to average up a little bit. We'll sell 3, and then we'll take that off because I won't know where the yeah. Let's see if this gets filled. Let's see what the heck. Oh my lord! Keeps hitting the high. There we go. There's a better average. Now it just needs to pull it down just a little bit. You got buyers and sellers both battling it out, stepping up. There we go. Let's not close it too early this time, Joe. Just a little bit. Let's not close it too early this time, Joe. Let's guarantee the 53 mark is hit. Okay. And come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. Guaranteed. Okay, cool. So now 2 passed. 2 passed. Okay, there it goes. I think. Maybe? Passed. Huh? Y'all saw me type that in and click save. Nickname already. Oh, that's rude. Okay. Well, guys, it seems like it'll be an ending day for me. I'm gonna walk around, take a breather, figure out what the heck to get my mind straight. But I'll be back on here in a little bit. You can still then stay safe trading out there because it's a wild ride today.